Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So the projection from the previous video seems to be coming true. Yeah, it was the right decision to flip over, at least carefully, to a more bullish scenario and to have a view that, yeah, with a high likelihood now the low could have been in here at 40.2 cents. Quick reminder, yeah, we've been tracking here lower prices and I've been forecasting lower prices since the peak here. Yeah, so even here I told you this was not bullish, at least not yet, and it worked out. It was rather the peak of the wave 4. We then started to move down in a 5-wave move down. That 5-wave move down, at the moment, that's how it's looking like, has been completed. Yeah, we can count 5 waves. This forecast has come true. Would have liked to see a little bit lower price levels, but it is now looking, and that is what I've talked to you about before, it is looking like a truncated wave low, where this low can be, the wave 5 low, can be a bit higher than the wave 3 low. By the way, on some charts, this is actually not the case, and here we have a perfect double bottom, as some viewers have made me aware, which is great. So from that point of view, I have less of a stomach ache about this, but that's what I meant. You know, you can have these truncated lows if the price action afterwards justifies it. Yeah, if that means the price cannot go to a new low. Yeah, it gets very close to the previous low. It can't get to a new low because of the bullish price pressure, but you can still count 5 waves down as complete, which we can do. So yeah, I think this was quite accurate in such a volatile market. And I told you, if we have an overlap with that wave 1, we have to go to a more bullish scenario, which I made you aware of yesterday when we came down to that trend line. I told you wave 2 could have been finished here. And since then, we've been expecting a wave 3. And yeah, the projection of the wave 3 seems to be playing out, especially the impulsive nature of this is starting to look really interesting now. So, and if we really turn around here, that would be epic, because then all the forecasts have come true. We talked about, from a long-term point of view, for months we've been talking about this reversal area that you can see. No, I actually have taken it out from the chart, but the reversal area between 29 cents and 54 cents, that was always the area where with the highest likelihood we would expect a reversal. At least it's been for the last 3 months, I believe, between the 88.7% fib level and the 78.6. If we can really hold within this area and reverse now to the upside, that would really, really be awesome. And I hope everybody can then see the value of the Elliott wave method and targets for each wave, because this area between the 88.7% fib level and the 78.6 is an ideal target for that higher level wave 2, which we could have completed potentially. Still need to be a bit careful about it, yeah, but you can see that we are currently, just as we speak, breaking above that wave E high, which is another confirmation. That was the wave 4 high as well, another confirmation that we are going bullish here. And yeah, if you saw the previous video, you had a warning, and since then the price has made roughly 10%. So that is amazing. And the projection for that wave 3, yeah, because we are getting there. So when can we expect this wave 3 to end? You need to be careful now if this is really the beginning of a bull run, and or at least a larger rally. And we need to be careful not to get too bullish here. And I urge you not to become too bullish. And I urge you to look at it from a neutral perspective and keep the emotions aside. I know everybody's happy, but this can destroy you from a financial point of view. So at the moment, it is still very early days in any uptrend. But target for that 1.618 extension wave 3 would be 54.5 cents. So not in one line. This would go up now to 54.5 cents. This would at least, yeah, I'm not telling you this will happen guaranteed, but if it happens, this would confirm the bullish scenario. This is how a breakout would work out. We would need to get at least to that level. If we are really in a bull run and in a rally, this is likely to go higher, all the way, ideally up to 57 cents. And I put that target now on the chart. So in the area between the 1.618 extension and the 200% extension. If we go higher, the higher, the more bullish. Do you say it like that? Yeah. So the higher we go, the more bullish it is. Here then, from this wave 3, we would expect a wave 4 down and a wave 5 up, and we have a first larger impulse complete that then would all be corrected once more. Now, here you can see already, you know, it's now the 18th of July. It could really be that over the next week or so this is going to play out, and then we have an ABC down, maybe as a result of the Fed announcement. We will see. The good thing is, or the point is, the more we can rally now, yeah, the better this protects the coins from a lower low, meaning going below, for example, here for ADA below 40.2 cents. If we can now make a rally and then we see another event or news event or whatever, or we see that correction, it could mean that we just make a higher low, and that would then be that wave 2 correction, from which we then go into a larger wave 3, and that would then be the massive rally that ideally everybody wants to catch. So this is now a wave 1, all of this. Then there will be a wave 2, and that next wave 3, I mean, you want to be in there, yeah? And a good level would be that next wave 2 low that we'll try to catch here on this channel. Alright, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.